let us see how we can use this switch to energize our contactor manually. It is still manual energizing, manual control. We'll soon move. When you understand the manual, I will now teach you how to connect it in what? An automatic way. Are you getting me now? How to energize your contactor manually. That's how to energize it manually. But you notice the moment I removed my hand, what happens to the contactor? It opens. It opens. But when I press it, it closes. Which means the switch is a what? It's a normally open switch. Until you press it before it closes. Once you remove your hand, it goes back to the what? Open state. Is that clearly understood? Yes, sir. That is how to energize manually. Now, I will now teach you how to now design some control with your contactor. Are you with me? I've taught you how to connect motor in star. Yes, sir. And I've equally taught you how to connect electric motors in delta. Yes, there are some electric motors that you may need to design a starter for. Maybe direct online starter to start. I've told you when you start in star, it requires low starting current, and high voltage. But when you start in delta, my power overload is connected the power overload. Connected. Let me mount it on the rail. So where the supply is coming from? Decide where the supply is coming from. We'll pick from there. Abi? And take it to the normally open. One terminal normally open. Let me see this. The normally open here. See, normally open. Normally close. Normally open. Normally close. So from which switch? Start or stop button? Start or stop button? Start. Anytime you want to lose your terminal, make sure you don't lose it totally. Normally open one. Okay, I've used one here. The other normally open here. I'll come and pick that. I'll connect the cable from there. From there to what? Either to here or to A1. Anyone. Since they are common. Yeah. Can you see it? So it is now manually operated. Have you seen it? Close contact of your contactor is to ensure that it holds the current when you release your hand from the start button. You know it's in on position now. If I press it, stop. But if you do not, in this case, you know this contactor is normally closed, so it is normally open. But what you have passed through it is live. Immediately, this contact will close. Are you getting me now? Once you put live supply to it, the contact will close. And the moment you release your hand, the current now follows these paths. So the only thing that can keep this coil open now is when you press the stop button. It will open, then this one goes off. Is that taken out? So can you see it now? You see it now? Imagine if you don't come to school today. So any day you now have a problem like this, you start calling your colleagues. So in this case now, the bulb is our load, this is the stop, but